this, guys, is natural hot springs. And all this comes from a volcano somewhere up there, but it's covered with the clouds. What's nice about it is that there's absolutely no restrictions. Anywhere there is water, you can just go and dip in. I'll tell you, yesterday we did 280 kilometers and it was all a trucky road, and from the Caribbean to here. And when we got here, we just went straight in, and it is just instant relaxation. Incredible, absolutely incredible. Highly recommended. And this country, man, Costa Rica, what a surprise. It is fantastic. So chill, easygoing, beautiful landscape. I mean, anywhere you go, you're in the jungle. You're in the cloud forest, rainforest, jungle, whatever you want to call it. It's incredible. And they have this phrase, which is pura vida, pure life. And they greet you with it, they say goodbye to you with it, they just, I mean, it says it all, pura vida. And look at that sunset, and this area here, just beautiful. And then we all talk about riding roads in the Swiss Alps, the French Alps, even me, I mean, I love them. But then you go here, and every road is like the French Alps and the Swiss Alps. The only problem is that it's got traffic because they don't have highways, which is fantastic to me. But then you get trucks and you get vans going uphill, going very slow, obviously. You just gotta go around them. But fantastic roads. Different this time. We're talking about a tour while going through this place, because I just wanted to show you this place. It's incredible. I'm not going to talk about the bike. You all know from many videos that I did, we're touring on a GS 1200, not 1250. I'm not going to talk about it. You all know my views about the GS in touring. Wanna see us? This tour is with Elephant Moto, and I got in contact with the owner, Chris White, and they do tours in Costa Rica and in Colombia, by the way. I'm not sponsored by them. I didn't get a single penny off, but they were fantastic, because I said we really want to cover the whole of Costa Rica because their tours didn't cover the Caribbean side. And he said the reason for that is the road from the to the Caribbean is a major commercial road, and many bikers don't like it, They're scared of it because it's all full of trucks. I'll show you a couple of clips. They're all full of trucks, and it's a bit dangerous. I said, I don't care. I mean, I rode all over the world. I rode in Cairo, I rode in Egypt, which is 10 times worse. And he said, sure, I'll do a custom tour for you. So he did the tour, and now I think we're halfway when we got here. And so far, it's just been incredible. Highly recommended. The bike is in excellent condition. Their communication was fantastic. No, everything has been really, really good. This is the hotel, if anybody is interested. Tabakan Thermal Resort and Spa. And this is the Shangri-La Gardens. This area is reserved for hotel guests over 18 years old. They actually asked me when I came in, are you over 18? I said, no, I'm 17, but I'm not even allowed to drink in my country. That was a joke, by the way, but they're such lovely, nice people. Who's that in white there? Who's that? She's running away. Mrs. RJ is running away. She doesn't like to be on camera, obviously, just like me. This country covers everything. If you are into hiking, adventure sports, zip lining, nature, which is very famous for. Very, very nice people. Extremely nice people.